Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can install IPTV Smarters Pro on PS4 or PS5. So, since IPTV Smarters Pro is not available officially on PlayStation Store, but still you can use some of alternative methods. So, I will show you two methods. Method one that you can use. Open the PlayStation browser on PS5, go to Settings, User Guide. Then go to IPTV Smarters web player if available. Log in with your IPTV provider credentials. Just stream the content. So this is the first method you can use. The second method that you can use is screen mirroring from your phone or PC. For that, just simply install IPTV Smarters Pro on your phone or PC. If you are using Android, just simply download APK file. In iPhone, just download test flight. Then cast PS4 or PS5. In Android, you can use PS Remote Play or third-party casting app. In iPhone, use AirPlay if your TV supports it. Then connect PS5 via HDMI. So these are the two alternative methods that you can use in order to just simply install IPTV Smarters Pro on PS4 or PS5. Thank you for watching.